I just record for my video channel.
I missed that.
I'm just recording for my YouTube channel.
I missed that again.
My YouTube channel. I'm just videoing you putting the tags on.
Oh, okay. You're dealing with a deaf guy.
Getting my bobcats tagged today. Right there.
Perfect.
Perfect.
You've done this before.
She was saying a guy's bringing in 9 more today.
Yeah, it could be.
So
yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Like
All right.
Big guy.
Yeah, he's going to the taxidermist. These
Alrighty.
are going to auction. All right, thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
Hopefully I catch another one today and I can bring back another one.
Okay.
Got 2 days or 1 more day left.
Yeah, it's running short.
All right, thanks.
Yep, thanks.
Yep. All right, guys, this is what you have to do. Get your tags, your bobcats tagged. And then you want to make sure you cut a hole through there. So this was going to the taxidermist. And yeah. All right. Hey,
how you doing?
Good.
Cats, huh?
Yeah.
Shit.
Doing a little video for my YouTube channel. So.
That's cool.
All right, everyone, welcome to the show and welcome to the last day on my trap line. I have about 20 traps out. I've pulled a lot of them. 3 of them are cages, my cat cages, and beautiful day. So hopefully I can bring you the last day catch, or maybe 2, maybe 3. Let's just hope so. So anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Yep, that's another cage. Get rid of all this shit. Bait, lure sticks. Let's just test it, see if it goes off. Yep. All right, well, down the road we go. Nothing. Well, touched this one up yesterday. Had a deer walk through. No coyote. And what I'm doing for now, I'm just getting my traps pulled. I use these split rings, but I'm not using them no more after this year. Especially, I'm switching to chain stakes, but I just don't like them. It's just more shit you gotta bury in the trap or in the trap bed. And sometimes I've come across on a couple of my catches, this thing, the chain, would be right up in there on the edge of that split ring, and that's just too close for comfort for me. So I'm getting rid of them altogether. I'm just going to put another J hook in here and attach it to the earth anchor. But for right now, I'm taking that off, getting the trap out of here, putting a ribbon around the chain, and then I will come back with my puller when it warms up and pull these things out. So anyway, there's another deer track there, right there. They definitely like the smells I'm putting that hole. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. No catches yet. Now off to my Maxwell line, 9 miles down the road. So we'll see what happens. All right, stay tuned. On with the rest of them. All right, guys, nothing in my niece cage trap. This is where she caught like 3 of her possums. She's pretty excited about that. She's in school, so she wasn't out here today, but she set it up down here and baited it up, and no go. Actually, I'm good for a few raccoon catches through here, but nothing this year. I only caught one raccoon on this whole property, even over by the farmhouse. So, but anyway, we're pulling all the traps. So down the road to my Maxwell line. All right, stay tuned. Nothing. One thing I caught in this trap here was 2 farm cats. Let them go unharmed. All right, cool. All right, this set, nothing that produced, it was my best producing set on this little 10-acre property. Red fox, one nice big raccoon, and then a couple possums. The last time, and a skunk. Last time I remade it, I just left the pan exposed for bobcat, but no bobcat in this one. So, bam. All right, on to the next. Okay, same thing with this one here. Caught 2 nice raccoons. Left the pan exposed for cat only, and no cat. Nothing but a farm cat caught in this one. This is for anything that come walking by. And then it looks like nothing over in that one there. So, all right, we'll set it off and get it out of there. Well, I was looking for my dog-proof trap I had right here. My niece and nephew set it up. Here's the cap that goes on the top of them. I got a few of those, but definitely had something. I don't know what could have done that besides a raccoon or something. I don't see any. There's some disturbance right there in the ground, but evidently this is one of them Diablos. I think what happens is sometimes these coons, if they get this wrapped up just right, they can get enough pressure on that to release some of that spring and get out. So I think I got 2 or 3 raccoons in these Diablos. Not a bad trap. I don't know if I'll get any more, but they were cheap. So, but I'll keep using them as long as I have them. But anyway, at least something happened here. All right, I got a couple more. This one here, looks like something stepped right there, but I was almost certain I might make a catch here. It's a cat set, runs right along the trail here, but just not this year. So there we go. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Again, another season without catching a caging a bobcat. So, but anyway, that's the way it goes. But I guarantee, I'm gonna make a guarantee. I will catch one next year for sure. I'm gonna guarantee it. You heard me say it. 2020-21 season. I'm gonna cage me a bobcat. So, all right, that's pretty much. I think I got a couple more to check, and no, I'm actually done here. So, a couple dog proofs I gotta grab on the other side of the pond. So we'll get over there. All right, peace. All right, that pretty much wraps it up. Sorry I couldn't show you. Didn't have a last day catch. But I did find me a nice cool skull. That's pretty cool, man. So anyway, I gotta come back out here and load up my cages at this property and another location. So thanks for riding along with me, and this part of my trapping season's over with. So now it's on to the next step, putting the fur up and getting things all organized and cleaned up. So, all right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on down the trail. All right, happy trails.